Good day and welcome to this brief overview, geared at instructors or teachers, of Google Sheets. Today we're going to answer 4 basic questions. What is Google Sheets? How is it different from other spreadsheet programs? Where or how do I access Google Sheets? And why would I want to use it in a class? Google Sheets is an online cloud-based spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet program is a series of columns and rows in which a person can enter in information. This information can be textual or numeric. Operations can be performed on data that is entered using built-in formula statements. Data can be analyzed, manipulated, or graphically represented in spreadsheet programs, making them powerful tools in finance, computing, research, and education. Google Sheets is free, allows for easy collaboration with others, easily embeds within websites, works on the vast majority of available operating systems, easily syncs across all devices regardless of operating system, provides revision history allowing among other things the ability to track contributions, includes a chat window for collaborators, easily imports data from other Google apps, and partners that work with Google apps. It has a couple of drawbacks. Compared to a standalone program like Microsoft Excel, Excel is more customizable. From more toolbars, functions, and chart types, Excel has some features that professionals may want. It can also handle larger data. Google Sheets is restricted to 1,000 rows of data. If you're using a desktop computer, open your internet browser and go to Google's website at www.google.ca or www.google.com, depending on your location. Once you're there, you'll likely notice in the top right-hand corner a small icon that is a square made up of 9 smaller squares. Click on that icon and a list of applications is revealed. Sheets should be a labeled green and white icon somewhere in the middle of the icons. If you're using a smart mobile device or tablet, go to that device's application store and search for Google Sheets. You'll find an application designed to allow your device to access and edit Google Sheets. There are many different applications of spreadsheets in the classroom. Beyond using it to keep track of grades or compiling research and graphing it, spreadsheets can be used as cognitive tools, tools that extend our thinking capabilities by doing the heavy lifting of data manipulation. You can, for instance, create a spreadsheet that demonstrates a quantitative principle, like area or acceleration. Using a formula, students could then play with the variables and see the effect on the outcome. This gives students a chance to engage with quantitative relationships in a way in which they can interact and construct what-if experiments. Furthermore, students can create their own sheets, learning and demonstrating their mastery of a quantitative concept. There are a vast number of free templates available online for Google Sheets and other compatible spreadsheet programs. The above examples could be used with most spreadsheet programs. Google's web or cloud-based design affords it additional opportunities. Multiple people can have access to the same sheet and update it in live, real time. There's also a feature where collaborators can chat with each other, allowing for true co-construction of the spreadsheet. Because spreadsheets are so versatile and can be used like databases, and because these databases can be made public online, there are websites and applications that can access a Google Sheet and take the data inside to create a different interface. This can result in the automatic generation of quizzes, customized websites, or other artifacts. The possibilities are still being explored.